Doesn't feel too rough. The power mirror just folded completely backwards. What's up, everybody? Irvine Garage here, and I really didn't expect to make this video today. Over the course of the last 2 weeks or so, I've been bidding on a lot of stuff at Copart, trying to win auctions, trying to buy cars that would be good rebuild projects, and then obviously looking for stuff that's just going to be something quick, something easy to do. And this morning at around 10 a.m. I won a bid on a new car that I'm going to reveal in the title anyways, but it's a BMW 328 Xi, so it's the all-wheel drive model. I just won it, so before we go and actually pick it up, we're heading over to Satis to get another update on the Porsche. This is an 80s Mercedes.
Fender.
Oh, okay.
And then the door gap between the fender and there, so that's all set already.
Oh, I wanted to come by. I wanted to ask you because I found a couple fenders. I don't know how much, like...
We're gonna try to fix that one.
Oh, this one?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I was wondering about like paint matching and stuff, because like if...
we gotta paint the nose, and because the nose has to be painted, we're gonna be blending, so the doors forward will be painted.
Okay. Do they, I mean, because the paint's not awful, I just didn't know if it was gonna have to be complete, or if they end up having to spray the front, because then you have to do the whole car.
Well, because we have to paint this fender, we have to paint the door, blend the color.
Yeah.
And then seeing that we're painting the hood, you have to do this fender, but because this fender's being done, we're gonna just paint the doors forward. Just
okay.
It's gonna look a lot better.
Easy enough.
Yep.
Looks a little more put together.
Well, the biggest thing is the frame. The frame's pulled as best as it can be right now. Work on the bumper.
Okay. Oh, so the front bumper?
Yeah, work on the bumper.
Did Wes not bring that over?
No. I have the rebar.
I bought a bumper. It's just rough. I just don't know if...
Maybe he has it?
Yeah, he probably has it. I can get it from him if worst case. See you, man. Good to see you again.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Soon enough. I wanted to see how rough the paint actually is.
The color, the rest of it's going to have to be polished.
Yeah.
A lot. It's just been weathered, and so a good detail on it will make a big difference.
Yeah. All right. See you, man.
Thank you.
One German car at a time. I like this little thing. Nismo on the wheels. Brembos for a van. Yeah. I want to see if you can see the sparkle a little bit. You can see it. It does look good. How much would you say you guys are done with the car?
How much?
Or how much, like, as far as like how much you have done?
It's like 3/4 of the way.
3/4 of the way. Looks good. Already looks better, because I remember there were swirls here bad. Looks good though. I'm better in the light. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to see anything on this. Time to go to the auction. We're whipping the Elantra. Bring some battery boxes, because never know. Don't know how bad this thing's gonna be. We shall see. There we go. Does this seem where you go?
For sure.
It seems so sketchy. We got there. A little bit. That's people getting ready to transport. What should we got?
We'll be right with you guys.
Okay, thank you.
What are we doing today?
Oh, I'm just picking up a car. Oh god. That looks like the car. It looks like they got it on jumpers. Window is down in the back, just like I thought. I thought they were gonna throw it on the front end loader and drop it down here, but that's good, I guess. Go check this thing out. Oh, fuck me. I left
Got the screws?
Yes.
I got some fucking tape. We'll just tape that shit on there and we can bring it out.
Good to go. You see anything crazy?
Here?
Yeah.
Too crazy.
You just get some crazy stuff sometimes.
Sometimes, all the time. People with their brains blown up.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
Jesus.
just serious.
People wrecking brand new Lamborghinis.
There's one, there's another one at the end over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Huracan.
These things are rough, and people still pay so much for them.
Yeah, they wreck so easy. You got the screwdriver?
Yeah. So I guess, or where do you want me to put it?
Well, you're gonna go, you're gonna drive out, and the gate's gonna open on its own, and you're good to go.
Okay. And then
And
also
I'll
roll
just
around.
go through the front and get the screwdriver.
Okay.
Cool.
All right. Okay. Ooh. It smells like a Beamer, like an old. So it doesn't look like the back glass is cracked, so that's a good thing, I guess. Oof. She seems rough. Rough as hell. Dirty too. Okay, service engine soon. Something more warning lights. Yeah, she sounds rough. All right.
All right.
Thank you, man.
Picking up one.
Like that guy. It was cool. Okay. Let's see if I can get this. You got dog tags hanging. Alright, so let me just go to the side here.
Christopher, what do you do?
Alright, I want to take it to the gas station.
Alright, can you put my light back on?
Yeah. The guy just taped it on. That guy was cool.
We need to take this off. Yes? Yes?
What?
Yes?
Yeah. Oof.
Is there
Oof.
a window?
Okay, so first things first. This thing is like bone dry on gas, so I'm gonna see if we can make it to the gas station without crashing and burning or getting pulled over or arrested. Ugh. She does not feel too good, but it doesn't feel like anything too bad. This is like one of those cars that people buy just so they can say they have a BMW. It doesn't feel too rough. The power mirror just folded completely backwards and it's trying and it keeps kicking. What the fuck is that? Is that the power mirrors? I can't even see anything. God, this thing is so sketchy. Alright, so she needs gas bad. We're gonna give her some gas. God, it's hot in here. I haven't even seen if the EC works. Ooh, brakes feel rough. Brakes feel really rough. That doesn't feel like rotors, but it doesn't feel good. I am not in my car. I gotta remember that. Okay, power steering feels very, very harsh. And this car does not want to turn. What side's the gas tank on? Are you kidding me? This car doesn't fucking tell you what side the gas tank's on? I have no idea. So, I'm gonna guess driver's side, but I could be wrong.
I'm gonna blow his head. I shoot him in the leg, I blow his head. No, he's left the lado.
It's like 1,500. You get some good deals, man.
How did you get in there?
You gotta go online, like you gotta hire a broker unless you got a dealer's license. But you basically just go online, sign up, and then hire a broker, buy one.
You got my car, you buy one just like that, I'll pay you.
Alright. Want my number?
So should we just...
No, I mean I kicked it.
Alright.
What? Well, look at the front. Alright, wish me luck, boys. Oh, we're going to the highway. This thing's already making all kinds of noise. I'm hoping it's just from being sitting. It doesn't feel like it's riding rough. The steering seems a little tight, but I'm just gonna try and keep her under 55. Ooh, and I already feel a shake. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down so I can have two hands on the wheel. Pray for me.
I got my white boy name. That's so funny. That's nice. Don't race. He wants to so bad, probably. Oh my gosh.
God damn. GoPro's currently dead. I don't know how the audio is. I think I got a new nickname for this thing already. I'm gonna call it the Flapper, because there's an awful sound coming from the front left. Car's driving fine. I haven't gotten it crazy. All kinds of lights are on. Nothing too bad though, just tire sensor and engine service due, but the flap's pretty bad, which I think is the trim. But we're about halfway home, so we'll see if she makes it the other half. Somehow, after passing, I want to say, at least 7 cops, and this is people, they were pulling behind us, like actually coming up and looking at the car, and somehow haven't pulled it over yet. I haven't even made it home, so knock on fake BMW wood. But the one thing, I was just trying to see if the audio worked. It actually has heated seats, a bunch of options I didn't expect, and the AC is blowing cold. I have it off right now just because I have the windows down because the back window, and just makes it look less like an auction car when there's not cloudy windows. But the guy the guy left a CD in here that is just awful. It's like I don't even know. I want to say it's Iggy Azalea just because how bad it sounds and what her reputation for music is, but I could be wrong, but I think that's what it is. I'm not exactly sure. Okay, I'm coming over, dude. I actually got mirrors now. That fuse is out and the shake is back, but let's listen to this guy's taste in music. What do we got? Track 1. Oh no, it's not all the same one. Oh god. I mean, the music works, but it's just god awful. Like, really fit the car. Driving a dirty ass Beamer, listening to Iggy Azalea. No, it's awful. All of it's awful. So we're just gonna leave it at that. Somehow this car's I want to get it back. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, so probably give it a full spray down and kind of try and assess the damage of this car. One thing I was not anticipating right here, windshield's cracked. So that can either be a very bad thing or something that's not that bad. Now, considering what I got the car for, I was anticipating about $1,000 in problems to get the purchase price that I'm looking for. So, but other than that, besides, I feel like it's the front left rotor, that flap, which is from some kind of trim, and then the regulator in the back, and the windshield. That's what I'm feeling so far, at least for any of the problems, but I guess we will see more as I kind of inspect it a little bit. Well, let's go ahead and get back to the house. One more crazy feature on this car, on the left-hand side, if you click this button down, it flashes this green arrow, and I didn't think they had this in BMWs, but you can actually kind of indicate where you're going to turn or where you're going to be in traffic. So that was pretty cool. I thought I'd just add that real quick.
Is it me? Oh, it's automatic?
Oh yeah, it's automatic.
Holy crap.
little rough. I think she needs a bath.
Yeah.
That's just from sitting on that Copart lot.
Oh my god, what year is it?
2007.
2007?
Yeah.
Holy crap. How much was it?
1300.
Okay.
And then plus auction fees. But that was their original purchase price. Not bad.
That's not a lot of money. 1300 for a running car? That's what I'm saying.
Well, that's the thing. So if you buy it through, you're getting wholesale prices a lot of the time. And then it's just about finding the right car, you know?
What did he sell it for? And what did these go for?
Anywhere from 4 to 7 grand, depending on the condition. So if I clean it up, fix the front left brake, seems a little wonky, so I don't know if it's going to be a pad or if it's a rotor. The rear tire was flat, which might just be from sitting, so it could be a nail or something. And then the trim on the bottom, I could hear it flapping, which most of the time you can just remove this.
What is this on it?
What? Oh, it's just from the auction. This is like just wiped down.
It's just dirt?
It's all dirt.
So
It's just all
dusty.
gravel and shit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and clean her up a little bit right now, assess more of the damage, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Catch it on camera. About midway through the paint correction. Looks pretty good. Car does look a million times better, and that's just with a rinse, not an actual wash. So what I'll be doing is kind of diagnosing the problems probably in the next episode, kind of dive into it, see what it is. I know it's one of the biggest things right now is the power mirrors. For some reason, every single time you open the door, they're trying to go all the way 180 degrees. That's good. That's going to be it for this one. If you guys like the video, go ahead and drop a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below on this project, on the other project. We're going to be doing a lot more updates on, obviously, now this car, we got the bike, and then going through the sale process and everything at the Porsche. You know, we got a million projects, so consider subscribing. I will see you guys in the next video.
Hey, this Matt, that you met today?
Oh, what's up, man?
Well, yeah, the automatic, good, because I wanted one